Hey guys, it's Barb
and Becca.
So today we're making slime.
Yes, from that Instagram thing you always talked. Yes. Oh wait, don't forget, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. From that, that red thing you see down below. So yeah, let's just get on with the video.
Okay, so we're gonna be starting with some Elmer's clear glue. Here's what it looks like. So clear you can't even see it.
It's borax and water.
So
Borax and water.
So yes, so we got our glue. Are you gonna color yours or not?
Yeah.
I'm going to as well. I think I'm gonna be making mine a green, a mint green. I'm making a mint
twinsies.
Okay. So we're each going to be making a green. I'm making mint green, so
Me too.
I'm gonna do a drop of blue.
Poking in the slime.
And a drop of green. Okay, now we're going to mix it with our little mixers. We'll be back when it's fully mixed. Okay, so we finished.
And here are colors.
Here are colors.
They're beautiful. So now this is optional. You can add some baby oil, and
I'm going to as well.
Baby proof. Wait, I'm pouring some into yours.
It's okay, just add more glue. She added a lot. It's okay.
We all make mistakes sometimes.
You just have to learn from your mistakes. So now we're mixing this in. Okay. Now what she says is
our activator, our
borax and water.
Yes.
Stop.
So it says to add this very, very slowly. So I'm going to add it very, very slowly.
And same here. And guys, we'll be back when we're finished mixing this in. Right?
Yeah.
Here's my swirl. I see people always poke it like this. Is it really satisfying? It's like,
So this is my swirl.
you'll crack it all the time, and it makes those really satisfying noises, So, guys, this was the end of our
final
slime.
And make sure you comment down below if you tried this recipe or if you like slime.
Don't forget to subscribe to become a part of the Barb and Becky Squad.